Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Underdog Reacts, and I have a new package, finally, just in time for this Friday for, my tattoo, because, if you probably have seen, if you've seen my videos, I sometimes wear a 9/11 t-shirt, from Nelly's Nest, and this is not from Nelly's, but this is another controversial t-shirt, and I wear those also to my tattoo appointments because my tattoo artists just fucking love them too. And this might be even worse than the last one. You could, let's say where I got it from. Wait a minute. Well, I don't know exactly where I bought it anymore, but I will leave the link for the website down below in the comment section. And I'm very happy with this. I have a Kitkat clan. We hate Snickers. It's such a controversial t-shirt and I fucking love it. So when I saw it, I had to have one. When I saw the meme, I had to have one. So I bought one. Let's try it on. It fits perfect. 2XL. Fits perfect. Love it. It's definitely printed on there, like a fucking sticker. Well, that's also how it feels, like stickers on on a t-shirt. Not like this. This is even better. This is better. This legit feels like a sticker, just stuck on there. But I fucking love the t-shirt. It's so controversial, and I fucking love it. This really makes me want to make my own Lego versions. To sell, obviously, to sell. My own Lego set collection. With controversial Legos. I've had that idea for years already. One would be Twin Towers. One would be a slavery setup. Shit like this. Just maybe Auschwitz set. Collect whole Auschwitz, stuff like that. Just controversial Legos with disasters of it, that would be so fucking awesome, because it's just dark humor, It's not because I agree with it, but it's because it's dark humor, and that's why I find it funny. I love Snickers. I have Snickers right here in my refrigerator. So, I don't hate Snickers. I love Snickers. They're a great snack. Yeah, I just fucking love the t-shirt. If you want also a t-shirt like this, you can order one on the website provided by the link in the comment section. But leave likes, recommend more controversial t-shirts that I can buy because I fucking love them. Subscribe. Check out my second channel Underdog Eats, where I do food drinks every week. Also, sometimes what's also now called on my third channel Underdog Eats, Underdog Reacts. Sorry, where I do primarily music. Link down below in the description. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.